Dear students, in this class I am introducing one of the most basic algebraic structure known as the group. First of all, I define what is meant by a group. A group G star is a set G closed under a binary operation star such that the following axioms are satisfied. The binary operation star is associative. That is, A star B star C equal to A star B star C for any A, B, C belongs to G. There is an element E in G such that E star X equal to X star E for all X belongs to G. This element is called identity element for star on G. And the third condition is, for each A belongs to G, there is an element A dash in G with the property that A dash star A equal to E equal to A star A dash. The element A dash is the inverse of A with respect to the operation star. A group G is called an abelian group if its binary operation star is commutative. That is, if A star B equal to B star A for all AB belongs to G. So, what do you mean by a group? A group is actually a set G together with a binary operation star defined on it satisfies three main conditions. First condition is star is associative. That means A star B star C equal to A star B star C for any ABC belongs to G. And the second condition is there is an element E in G such that for every X belongs to G satisfies X star E equal to X equal to E star X. And the third condition is for any A belongs to G there is an A dash in G such that A star A dash equal to E equal to A dash star A for any A belongs to G. If in addition the operation star is commutative, we call that group as abelian group. Now we consider some examples. First example is Z under addition. Already you know that addition is a binary operation on the set of integers. So consider the algebraic structure Z plus. So in order to prove this is a group, first of all we have to check associativity. That you already know. For any three integers A, B, C, A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C for all A, B, C belongs to Z. Second condition. The element 0 belongs to Z satisfies A plus 0 equal to A equal to 0 plus A for any A belongs to Z. That means 0 is the identity element for Z plus in Z. 0 is the identity element for plus on Z. And the third condition, for any A belongs to Z, we have minus A belongs to Z and A plus minus A equal to 0 equal to minus A plus A. That is, for any A belongs to Z, minus A is the inverse of A with respect to addition. Also, A plus B equal to B plus A for all A, B belongs to Z. Therefore, Z is an abelian group under addition. Similarly, we can prove that R under addition, Q under addition and C under addition are all abelian groups. And the next, if the set of positive, consider the set of positive integers 1, 2, 3, etc. with the operation addition. That is Z plus under addition is not a group. What is the reason? So, in order to prove that an algebraic structure is a group, first of all we have to verify that whether the operation satisfies associativity. Clearly, for the positive integers also satisfies A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C for any ABC. So, associativity is clearly satisfied. Then the next condition is we have to check whether there is an identity element for addition on Z plus. So, clearly we can say that there is no identity element for addition in Z plus. So, Z plus is not a group under addition. Actually, Z plus is not a group under addition. What is the reason? There is no identity element for addition in Z plus. Now, if we insert 0 in that set, 0, that is the set 0, 1, 2, 3, set of all non-negative integers. Is that a group under addition? No. Clearly it satisfies associativity. There is the element 0 satisfying x plus 0 equal to x equal to 0 plus x for all x. So the identity element 0 is there, but it is not a group. What is the reason? The reason is that there is no inverse for 3. There is no inverse for 3 means that does not exist the element minus 3 on that set. There is no inverse for 1, there is no inverse for 2, etc. So 0, 1, 2, 3 is not a group under addition. The set of positive integers with operation multiplication is not a group. What is the reason? Clearly it satisfies associativity and the multiplicative identity. 1 is there, but there is no inverse for 3. There is no inverse for 3 because there does not exist an element a dash in that set plus such that 3 into a dash equal to 1 equal to a dash into 3. Therefore, there is no inverse for 3. There is no inverse for 2. There is no inverse for 4, etc. So, set of positive integers set plus under the operation multiplication is not a group. Now, consider the set of positive real numbers. That's a group under multiplication. In fact, it is an abelian group. That is a straightforward verification. Clearly, we are considering positive real numbers. For any ABC, we have A into B into C is A into B into C. And what is the identity element here? Here the operation is multiplication. The element 1 belongs to R plus, satisfying A into 1 equal to A equal to 1 into A for any A belongs to R plus. So, 1 is the identity element. And for any A belongs to R plus, we have 1 by A belongs to R plus. Therefore, A into 1 by A equal to 1, the identity element, that's equal to 1 by A into A. Therefore, inverse of A is 1 by A. And clearly A into B equal to B into A for any AB belongs to R plus. So, R plus under multiplication is a group. Similarly, the set of positive rational numbers is also an abelian group under multiplication.